Oh my, that scared me.
Ne ala ehi eagle kita tinafto eagle ine tinafto. Mafto ti sign ine.
Really sign?
Aqui.
Ah, aqui na eagle. Alex, I don't know me. Ala dala ni kaki pula.
Ne.
Gazelle.
Na ang dami nila guys oh. Ayan.
We have seen so many gazelles in here.
Oops.
Wait, what's up?
Ayan sila.
Mami, kita. Look.
I think we're supposed to go over there.
Ne.
Let's go.
Pero imineta to.
Let's go from here because we not see this one.
Ah ne dati niya da mapuki.
I think it's the...
Ang cute nila talaga. Pidi ne mafto edo po kati sa meta ne. Ne, nato. Nandiyan na sila oh.
Afto salo na to puin.
Ang dami naming hinahanap guys. Mapangit lang ang weather kaso nga lang kasi wala kami. Dani ni wrong way Ariana.
It's the Lima Forest, but we're in the wrong way.
Kala tato dong. Oh, den umiso Ariana. Okay.
Ah, in the parking. Ah, ne, wrong way, wrong way.
Wrong way.
Ne, apo edo? Nato graphy. Exit on exit only.
Exit only. Wait, what's this?
Entrance edo, ineto entrance ka exit mafto.
Oh.
Edo Ariana.
Ariana,
Ella.
come.
Yapigan eh.
This is an exit
Kita,
only.
ala.
Mommy, this is an exit only.
Kita din ah. Kita rhino.
Where? I need to see.
Oh.
I thought this was real. Oh, I like to move it.
Oh my God, the rhino's over there.
Mommy.
Hello. Hello. I like to move it.
Ayan guys.
Hello.
Kita nyo ba?
Oh.
Hello. Juju namu, juju naiki mo.
This one I wanna.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Alang dami nila.
It's so cute.
Oh,
I like
too
to
much
move
is there.
I like to move it. I like to move it.
Ariana likes to move it.
Oh, there's a hole that they can go out.
Definitely pulling.
Έχει κι άλλο από εκεί.
Ναι, γι' αυτό είναι. Έχει.
Έχει και εκεί μέσα.
Oh, the rhino.
Oh, κάποιος τρόμαξε. They got scared. What's this one? Oh, lion.